How to earn a passive income in India. Here are the top ways to earn a passive income. 1. Investing in rental properties. Real estate investing is one of the best known ways to earn a passive income. With a little bit of investment, you can buy and rent out homes, offices, apartment buildings, and other types of real estate. Then you will be able to earn rental income each month, and even hire a property manager to manage day-to-day issues with tenants and collect any payments. 2. Rent out your home. If you are unable to invest in a separate property to rent, you can rent out your current properties by partnering with a rental company like Airbnb. This method will work well if you have spare rooms, or you have to be out of town for a while. You can even rent out your car to make a bit of extra money. 3. Investing in stocks. When you make a stock investment, essentially, you purchase shares of a company. And when those shares appreciate in value, you will get payment, or dividends, at regular intervals from the company. Since these dividends are paid per share of stock, the more shares you own, the higher your earning. 4. Selling digital products. Digital products refer to types of downloadable or streamable media. These include templates, plugins, PDFs, printables, e-books, audio or video courses, or UX kits. The content of these products can vary greatly, from recipe collections to design templates and wireframes. Once this product is created, you can generate a passive income by distributing and selling them through sites such as Udemy, Skillshare, or Coursera. 5. Affiliate marketing schemes. Affiliate marketing is a way that you can help brands that are looking for ways to spread the word about their products. You become an affiliate to a given brand or company like Amazon, and you promote their products to your followers or readers, including a link to the products on your site or social media account. 6. Become a POSP insurance agent. A POSP, or point of salesperson, is an insurance agent. They work with insurance companies to sell insurance policies to customers as per their personal needs. While this requires an initial active involvement, you can also earn a passive income when these customers renew their policies.